now. I never seen it that way before. Okay. Aha, that's interesting. Is that so? Mm-hmm. Really? Aha, that's interesting. Oh, okay. I'd like to know more about that. I get you. Is that so? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, okay. Just continue. I know. Mm-hmm. I know, yeah. Tell me more. Oh, I don't like you. I get you. Tell me more. Stuff. Oh. Stuff. Oh. Darn. You look like that. You look ugly today. You annoy me. You are so ugly. I feel like puking. You annoy me. I never seen it that. Oh. Yeah. Bro. Oh, you're my favorite. Oh la la. Bro. Oh, you're so pure pretty. I hope you like me. I feel like I could kiss you right now. On your smile and your eyes. Yeah, you're right. Mm-hmm. Aha. Okay. Voila. Kiss me, okay? Oh, stuff. Oh. Darn. You're dumb. You don't know what you're talking about. You sound stupid. You are so ugly. I feel like puking. Mm-hmm. What? Mm-hmm. Oh, you just laugh. Ah. On your smile and your eyes. Ah, look into my eyes, yes. Ah, look into my eyes, yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, okay, that's really, that feels the spot on me. Okay, I know now what you're talking. Ah. Yeah, we two, we're a match. On your smile and your eyes. Your eyes are like big, deep oceans. That's exact. Mm-hmm. On your smile and your eyes. Oh, you annoy me. Stop it. Just shut up.